If you want to share Facebook reviews on Beaver Builder, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how to create, customize, and embed a Facebook reviews feed like this on your Beaver Builder website with no coding needed. Let's get started. First, we'll have to get the Smashballoon Reviews Feed Pro plugin. There's a free version available, but it only supports Google and Yelp reviews. So for Facebook, we need the premium version. After purchasing Reviews Feed Pro, you can find your license key and download link inside your Smashballoon account. Download Reviews Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now on our WordPress dashboard, we can hover over plugins on the left-hand side and click Add New Plugin. Next, click Upload Plugin and upload the zip file for Reviews Feed Pro, like this, then click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And there we go, Reviews Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. On the left-hand side, you'll now notice Reviews Feed. Go ahead and click on that, and at the top here, we can enter the license key from our Smashballoon account. After entering it, click Activate. And there we go, our license key has been activated. We can begin creating our Facebook reviews feed. To get started, click on Add New, and for the first step, we'll have to add a source for our feed. Click Add Source, and this will show you all the available sources you have with Reviews Feed Pro. You can embed reviews from Google, Facebook, TripAdvisor, Yelp, Trustpilot, and WordPress.org. Since we want to display our Facebook reviews, click on Facebook. Next, click Connect with Facebook, and on this screen, we can click on Connect to Facebook. If you're already logged into Facebook, you can click on Edit Access, and here you should see all the Facebook pages and businesses connected to your account. Find the one you want to connect to Reviews Feed Pro, and make sure it's toggled on the right-hand side everywhere that it appears on this page. After that, we can close this and click Continue. Now we can see that our Facebook page has been connected to Reviews Feed Pro, so we can select it and click Add Page as a Source. Now inside Reviews Feed Pro, we can select that page as a source and click Next. And now onto the last step of creating a reviews feed, selecting a template for the layout of the feed. We have options like the default, simple cards, masonry, and more. And for this tutorial, let's go with the simple cards template. Once selected, click Next. And just like that, we have a live preview of our brand new Facebook reviews feed inside the plugin. All the latest reviews for our Facebook page are displayed inside this feed in the cards template that we selected. Each review contains the author profile picture, name, when that review was published, the star rating that was provided, and of course the review content. And on the top right corner, we can see a Facebook icon indicating that the review is from Facebook. Our reviews feed is now ready to be embedded inside Beaver Builder, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize the feed. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Layout. Here you can customize the layout of your Facebook reviews feed. Currently, you can see that we have the list layout selected, which displays your Facebook reviews in a single column list. Next is the Masonry layout. This one displays your Facebook reviews in rows and columns. And lastly, we have the Carousel layout, which lets you swipe through the reviews inside your feed just like this. But currently on this Facebook page, we only have 3 reviews, and we're displaying them in 3 columns. If I were to customize that, I can scroll down, and I can customize the number of columns on display. Currently we have 3 columns, but if I change it to 1, like this, you'll notice that we can swipe through the reviews inside our feed like this. And that's with the carousel layout. But for this video, let's stick with the list layout, and if I scroll down, we can also choose how many reviews you want to display inside your feed. At the moment, we have a maximum of 4 reviews on desktop, tablet, and mobile, but if I were to modify that, let's change it to 2. Our feed will now only display 2 reviews. And if site visitors wanted to see more, they can click on Load More at the bottom. I'm pretty happy with the layout of my reviews feed right now, so we can click on Save. And next, if you want to moderate the reviews inside your feed, go into the Settings tab and click on Moderation. Next, if we enable Moderation mode, you can see all the different reviews inside your feed in this list. And in this menu, you can choose the exact reviews you want to display. There are 2 options with this, with the Allow list and the Block list. With the Allow list, all your reviews will be hidden by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to display like this. Alternatively, if you go with the Block list, all your reviews will be displayed by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to hide. If you added any filters, you can click Save and Exit. For now, we're going to disable moderation mode, and we're going to head back, and under the Settings tab once again, we can go into Filters. Here we can add filters onto your reviews feed. At the top, you can add a filter based on star rating, so that your reviews feed only shows reviews with that particular star rating. For example, if I only wanted to show 5-star reviews, I can add a filter by clicking here. Underneath that, you can also specify words as filters, so that your reviews feed will hide or only display reviews containing those words. And at the bottom, you can also filter reviews based on character count with a minimum and maximum. If you want to display short bite-sized reviews, you can enter a lower minimum and maximum, but if you wanted to display longer in-depth reviews, you can set a higher minimum and maximum too. And if you added any filters, click Save on the top right corner. Now that you know how to create and customize your Facebook reviews feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside Beaver Builder. To do that, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to, then click Add. Now on our WordPress webpage, we can click on Launch Beaver Builder. And here we are now on our Beaver Builder webpage, and if I scroll down, we can embed our reviews over here. To embed it, we can click on the plus icon on the top right corner, and we can grab the HTML module over here, drag it, and place it on our page. Next, inside this box, we can paste the shortcode that we copied earlier, and click Save. Just like that, we can see a live preview of our new reviews feed inside Beaver Builder. We can now click on Done and publish it and check out what it looks like on the live website. And now on our live Beaver Builder webpage, we can see our brand new reviews feed inside the page right here. The latest reviews from our Facebook page can be seen inside this feed, with each review containing the author and date, the star rating, the review content, and a Facebook icon on the right-hand side. And if we scroll down, there's a button that says Load More. If a site visitor clicks on that, that will load additional reviews directly inside your Beaver Builder webpage. And at the top, inside the header, we have the average star rating, and on the right-hand side, we have a Write a Review button. If site visitors click on that, that will take them directly to your Facebook page, making it really convenient for them to leave reviews for you directly from your WordPress webpage. And there you have it. That's how we can create, customize, and embed a Facebook reviews widget like this on your Beaver Builder webpage. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you experience any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.